Welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today we have a few of our wooden corner posts to share with you. These posts are often used as an alternative to kitchen island legs when working on cabinets, islands, or vanities. They can also be added to furniture projects. Each one has a unique profile that is shaped specifically to fit into the corner of a design. Our first piece is part 5030. This is the French corner leg. It can be used in anything from traditional to contemporary designs because of its simple detailing. This versatile leg is 35.5 inches tall with a 2 1/8 inch width. For a more decorative look, the French carved corner leg is a great option. This is part 5000. It is 35 inches tall and features a Queen Anne style foot at the base of the post. There are stunning hand-carved leaves at the top and bottom of this post. All of our corner posts are offered in multiple wood types, including stain and paint grade options. They are sanded to 150 grit and ready for you to finish and install in pot arrival. They also feature flat backs to make installation even easier. Thanks for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.